Hello everyone, this is Sharam from Learnacon and I'm grateful to have you here for this training module. Today we are diving into a complete overview of Industrial HMI hardware. In industrial automation, the human-machine interface is the key connection between machine and the people who operate them. Picking the right HMI and installing it properly is essential for keeping operations smooth, safe, and reliable. In this module, we will walk you through the main types of HMI hardware you are likely to see on the job. We also go over important tips to help you install them properly. Here is what we will cover. Touch panels, the go-to choice for modern flexible machine control. Key panels, tough button-based HMI built for demanding environments. Mobile panels, handheld devices that offer mobility and built-in safety features. PC-based HMIs, powerful industrial computers for complex tasks and high-performance needs. Thin clients, efficient systems that connect to central servers, making operation and maintenance easier. And panel installation, key steps for mounting, connecting, and protecting your HMI equipment. By the end of this module, you will have a clear and practical understanding of the main types of HMI hardware and how to install them in the right way. Let's get started.